Hello and welcome to a really short tutorial video showing you how to install your newly received MarkMate label printer. Now before we get started, it's important to understand that your MarkMate label printer needs to be connected to a PC in order to print labels. And what I'm going to show you to do today is how to actually set everything up on your computer to be able to then log into MarkMate and start label printing. So, the first thing you have to do is visit the web address shown here, www.markmate.co.uk/printing. And once you're there, you'll see a website just like you're seeing now. Now, if I scroll down that page, you'll start to see two pictures of printers. We've got the QL500 and then we've also got the QL600. Underneath each of these pictures is a button. Now what we have to do is download the printer wizard for the correct printer that we have. Now I've got a QL600 label printer, so I'm going to click download for the printer wizard. Now this printer wizard will download straight away for you on the bottom left of your screen, and this wizard is designed to guide you through everything you need to do. So what we do, that zip file that's just downloaded, if we click on it, it will then open up. Now inside that zip folder, you'll see another folder. And we've actually named it copy this folder to your computer because we have to do exactly that. We have to take this folder out of the zip file and put it into our computer. So I'm going to hide the internet, and all we do is take the folder from the zip file we've just downloaded and we just drag it onto our computer, either our desktop, our documents, wherever you want to put it. And now that we've copied that folder, we can close the zip file because all we need to use is this folder. Now, I'm going to open that folder up, and here are all the files and folders that we need to actually install our printer. So, we're going to double click Printer Wizard. This will open up our printer wizard that we've designed to help you install and set up your printer. Don't worry about this warning message if you get one, it's absolutely fine. Just click Run. Now, this is the MarkMate Printer Wizard. There are 3 steps to installing and configuring your printer. The first step is to actually run the driver installation file that we've bundled straight from Brother, and this will install everything onto your computer that you need. So the first thing we do is click Install QL600 Printer Driver. We'll be prompted here not to plug anything into your computer until you're asked to. So don't worry about plugging any cables in or anything at this point. Click OK. You'll then get a message from Windows saying, are you sure you want to install this? Yes, we are. Now, all we have to now do is follow the prompts. So we work through the installation. We agree to the terms and conditions. We let it do its thing. We're now asked to connect the USB cable to the PC and to the printer. Now, if you get your USB cable, it goes into the back of your printer into this socket here, and then the other end goes obviously into your laptop or PC. You then need to put your power cable into your printer, plug it all in, and then turn on the printer. Once you've turned it on, you can click Next. It will do its thing, and then you should hopefully see this message, Installation Complete. Simply click Finish, and that's your printer installed. It's really quick, really simple. Now the next thing we have to do is tell your computer what size labels you're actually using, because we support multiple sizes of labels with printing. Now when you received your labels, they should have come on a roll, similar to this one here. And on the side of that roll of labels, you should see a size. Now this size is 62 by 100 millimeters. So all I have to do is select which size I want to install to set up, 62 by 100 millimeters. I click that button, it will run a quick script, and that's it, done. And then the last thing to do is to test that printer is working. So if I click Test Print, you're about to test printing from Google Chrome. Important. Make sure you change the destination to Brother QL600. You'll see what I mean in a minute. We've obviously just installed a printer, so we need to make sure we select that printer when we're printing. So this will open up Google Chrome. Now you can see at the moment, I've got my brother QL selected, but if you haven't, you might need to make sure that your destination is set to your QL600. But you'll notice it doesn't look quite right. And as you can see, there's actually some instructions on that label to help you get started. So the first thing is make sure your destination is set correctly to either QL500 or QL600. Set your layout to landscape. So mine's on portrait at the moment. So if I change that to landscape, okay, starting to look a bit better. Now, click more settings. So if I click more settings here, I need to make sure I set my margins to minimum. So if I go down to margins, they're on default at the moment. So if I select those and change it to minimum, okay, it's starting to look better. Then unselect headers and footers. So headers and footers at the bottom, it is also unselected at the moment, so that's good. Now with all of those things done, that label looks like it's going to come out perfectly. If I click print, that's it. My label will now have come out of that printer and I'm ready to start using MarkMate. Now, if you're able to get that label out and a label has come out of your printer and it looks like it's on that label fine, then you're good to go. If you need any more help or you would like us to do the installation for you, just visit markmate.co.uk and go to our contact page. Fill in the quick form, tell us a good time that works for you, and a member of the team will either drop you an email or give you a phone call and we will help you with the installation and we'll do it for you. If you need anything else, drop us an email. All the best.